Hi, my name is Bill Sullivan and welcome to day 3 of Mobile World Congress. Today we're going to be talking about digital customer engagement and the battle that's going on for the hearts and minds of your customer out there in the marketplace. So we've brought together a number of the key speakers who've been on stage to tell you about what they have been explaining to the wider Mobile World Congress audience. Let's see what they have to say.
When you look at the kind of sports and entertainment world, and how we go about designing experiences for fans, taking a very human-centered lens to how we go about crafting that. So when we think about the fan, whether it's the player, whether it's the content editor or an employee at Wimbledon, but understanding how we can make a meaningful difference for them and the interactions that they're having with Wimbledon and the brand.
One of the biggest challenges that we have at Wimbledon is that we're only on for 2 weeks of the year, and so it's absolutely paramount that we maximise that opportunity. One thing that we try to concentrate on is thinking more like a media organisation in the way that we create content, collaborating with our broadcast partners and leveraging the technology and the digital experiences that we create with IBM to deliver that truly fan-centric experience in the context of 2 weeks, 24 hours a day.
If you look at some of the things that IBM and Wimbledon have been working on over the last kind of year or so, the application of artificial intelligence, delivering fan-facing chatbot and helping fans interact through a natural language interface.
The future of the fan experience at Wimbledon will become an increasingly personalised one. We have a huge amount to offer them in terms of storytelling, in terms of leveraging data and insights, but also all those different things that when you add them together they make such a unique experience, whether that's the food, what people are wearing, what they're doing, where they've chosen to come from, and all of that delivered through beautiful experiences packaged up with the best technology we can possibly bring.
When you look at kind of sports and entertainment, right, I think it forms an amazing proxy for other industries to use, whether you be in retail or banking, insurance, manufacturing. Because I think if you look at how an organisation like Wimbledon engages with their fans, right, how they design those experiences, how they personalise them, how they use data to actually craft some really meaningful interactions, how they draw insight out of that data. And then you start to look at what Wimbledon do, and it's like, well, why can't my bank, right, start to treat me and engage with me in the same way? And so I think it's a brilliant proxy for those organisations to use, and a brilliant example actually of how you can take human-centered lens to designing those experiences, how to use technology in a thoughtful way, and how to really use data and insight to drive very personalized and deep interactions with individuals.
VineSleuth uses artificial intelligence and rock-solid wine data to match people with the wines they're sure to love. People tell us what wines they like. We use the data in the background to match them with another wine that they might enjoy. We can also use our methodology to match coffee, tea, chocolate, cheeses, all sorts of things.
We're working together with IBM on very innovative artificial intelligence-based services in and around the car. And you'll soon see how that will play out, and the customers are going to be very excited. Volkswagen is very excited to be on a journey from a car manufacturer to a mobility provider. The demands of the customer are changing. They no longer just want to buy and own a car. They want to be mobile whenever and wherever they want. So Volkswagen has embarked on this journey, and we call this endeavor, we call Volkswagen We. We, together with our customers, together with startup companies, and together with our tech partners, we create the mobility of the future. We will develop services, digital mobility services. We are creating an ecosystem that will allow our customers to be mobile.
All of the technologies that Matt referenced earlier around the application of AI, delivering something that's personalised to each different use case, all of those things make us different, done in a way that is truly Wimbledon.